Dear Lynn University, as you're watching this video, you might wonder, who is this girl? What makes her interesting? And why should Laura be the one who receives the presidential scholarship? You know, I myself once asked the same questions, but as life presented me with different types of challenges, I was able to not only answer them, but to also point out my calling for serving others. I was born and raised in Valencia, Venezuela, and have lived there since then. As a kid turning into a teenager, I used to be very shy. In fact, public speaking was the monster hiding under my bed. This is exactly how I ended up in the Model of United Nations, a step that not only introduced me to different international topics, but that also helped me find my passion, advocating for human rights, especially the ones related to education. Growing in the debate and critical thinking areas, I was awarded the opportunity to represent Venezuela in the diplomatic arena of the United States, where I got the chance to improve my leadership and entrepreneurship skills, and to also apply them while getting involved with the local community. By doing so, I demonstrated myself that the lack of monetary resources is not an obstacle anymore, and that education is the strongest weapon anyone can possess. This epiphany inspired me to teach younger generations how to think for themselves, helping them find their own leadership styles through miscellaneous debates about emerging problematics. Apart from joining the Model of United Nations, representing my country as a youth ambassador, and sharing my knowledge with others, I'm also very passionate about arts and languages, as I find them valuable resources and fruitful solutions to the different international problematics that we're facing today. As a consequence, I envision myself intersecting and promoting them at the university, where I know I will thrive by empowering others to make use of their critical thinking skills and to join me to help support those who find themselves disadvantaged and discouraged by the underrepresentation of their communities and or their lack of resources to pursue their dreams. Thanks for listening and see you soon.